Now, if we are to attain this new life, this spiritual life in this very world, and not wait for the hereafter, not wait for death to come and open our eyes, we have to do two things. Number one, you cannot have a new life unless you are a mu'min. And the Buzurg must be knowing that for the information of children, a deed, an action cannot become righteous, cannot become salih until it is accompanied with iman. Now we, the mu'min, we have this opportunity to perform righteous deeds. And when you go back to the riwayat of Ahlul Bayt, iman here means believing in the Welayat of Sayyidina Amirul Mu'mineen Ali ibn Abi Talib. That means that those who are under the guardianship of Amirul Mu'mineen, only they are blessed to perform a'mal salihah, righteous deeds. Those who do not have this wilayah, do not believe in the wilayat of ma'sumeen, even if they are performing thousands of good deeds, as per the Quran, their namaz and roza and hajj and zakat and charity cannot come under the category of a'mal salihah. Now, is it not a point to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He has blessed us with the wilayah of ma'sumeen, that whatever we are performing with this iman that our Mawla is there, we transform our a'mal into a'mal salihah. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.